Hey guys, SoundKiller. My buddy Shane hit me up. I asked him because I heard the recent demo for Riot for Serum. I was like, hey, this sounds pretty awesome, man. Could you possibly send me a pack for a review? And he was like, sure, man, just do a video between these days just to like make sure that we've recently released it so that I can get the most viewers. I was like, sure, no problem, bro. And at first I was like, the preview sounds pretty cool. I'm really liking it. I can't wait to try out those samples. And when I opened the samples, I rendered here a few samples so that you guys can hear from the presets. I was just blown away. Like, the sound design is really good sound design, and I'm like, this definitely is a next level sound design. I really like this. I'm gonna show you guys a few sounds here. So these are some awesome sounds. I'm gonna open up Serum so you guys can see the preset library, see how many sample preset there are. What I really like about this preset pack is that there's like so many macros to like just completely change the sound, which is insane. And that's something I really like for presets, is just having the ability to change macros to just change up the sound. So if we go here, Riot for Serum. So from starting here, we go down, 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 down. There's so many samples, and then you also have like the wavetables. So like you have here Riot for Serum wavetables, and there's so many wavetables, and these wavetables are so usable. Like you can make some really awesome sounds. Like I did a preset here with these wavetables, which is Shinderu Wobble here. And these are with the Riot wavetables, and it just sounds so clean and so good. Like, you can just like make so many awesome presets. It just sounds like that, and then you post-process these, and you get like some really insane sounds. So I'm gonna open up a demo I did, which is Riot demo, just to like show you guys what this sample pack is capable of doing. And then we have this part here, which I really like, which is a different wonky alternative to what kind of sounds you can do. So you can do stuff like this. Just to clarify, these drums are Virtual Riot drums. These are the heavy bass design drums, just to clarify. So I'm trying to make it as Virtual Riot as possible, since that's the purpose of the pack, just sound as Virtual Riot. So my guy Shane, you probably will be watching this, man. I'm really proud. I'm really excited with what you did here. These are some good presets. I can't wait to like deconstruct them. Like, that's the cool part about these presets. You can take, for example, a preset, and you can start like play around with the macros here and just change up the sound completely. For example, I really like this ARP. I'm not sponsored by Rocket Power Sounds. I only like ask him for a review pack because this is just insane. I was like, man, this sounds next level, and I'm proud. This is the second sample pack I own now that from Rocket Power Sounds. I have Lethal Bases, which is also an insane sample pack. I really like the samples. The samples, no, the presets. I'm sorry. I really like the presets in Lethal Base. This is another pack I definitely recommend. This one, Audio Weapon did some presets. I'm not sure if in Riot. I'm pretty sure Audio Weapon did some of the presets in Riot for Serum because it has that distinctive audio weapon style. So I'm pretty sure, and I'm also sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I definitely have that hint that Crow worked with Riot for Serum. So Shane, if you're watching this, I hope you're watching this. I'm really hoping for. If you want to work with another preset pack or sample pack, hit me up. I'm definitely willing to work with you and make a few presets with you and do samples and all that kind of things if you're open for that. But yeah, best pack I've tried so far. Very modern, very great stuff for learning. Definitely encourage you guys to get it. And they also have the bonuses right now. I don't have the bonuses, so I can't talk about the bonuses. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave links down in the description so that you guys can hear the demo. You guys can check it out for yourself.